so much for joining me for your onboarding to the Microsoft Learn for Educators program. I'm Dr. Rachel Wortman-Morris, and I'm one of the creators behind the Microsoft Learn for Educators program. And I'm a clinical assistant professor at the University of Washington. Through the Microsoft Learn for Educators program, we provide higher education institutions and faculty members with access to free curriculum, training, and tools for teaching. To further support delivery of Microsoft's ready-to-teach curriculum, we also provide faculty with access to additional resources, including discounted practice and certification exams, curriculum integration support, course delivery prep sessions led by Microsoft technical trainers, Microsoft virtual training days, and entry into our global community of educators committed to helping students succeed. If you're just learning about Microsoft Learn for Educators and want a full overview of the program, the benefits, the options, and how to join, please visit aka.ms/MSLE Open House. With that, let's get started. Joining Microsoft Learn for Educators is the start of a journey, one that will take you through ensuring that you feel confident in your technical skills as they relate to teaching Microsoft technical content, practicing for and getting certified in the content you will be teaching, working to integrate the Microsoft official content into your curriculum or syllabus, ensuring that you are leveraging the various tools for teaching and benefits that Microsoft has to offer, as well as joining our Teams-based global educator community.